My first encounter with Qt was still in Qt version 4 during my studies, actually, at university. I was introduced to it as part of my C++ courses. And since then, I've been using Qt on and off for multiple projects. I haven't only used Qt. We've also been working with other engines, other frameworks throughout my career. But I've been coming back to Qt over and over and over. It's been a pretty constant thing throughout my career. Well, for one part, I do consider myself a C++ developer. First and foremost, I've worked with other languages. I've been dabbling into C# with Unity. I've been dabbling into Python. I've been dabbling with a lot of different stuff. You know how it goes. But I've always been coming back to C++ as my favorite, my most favorite thing. And Qt is a de facto standard when it comes to C++ user interfaces. One thing I really like about Qt is its portability. Something that I've mentioned before, I've been working in mobile a lot, and now I'm working on desktop. So I've been using Qt on many, many different platforms throughout my career, and it always works. But I do like the adaptability. I do like that I can transfer my knowledge from what I've been doing in the past to a very different context nowadays and still use the same underlying technology. And I think that's, for a software developer, especially where technology changes a lot, it's good to have some form of stability in your career where you're like, this is a technology that evolves. This is a technology that evolves with the times. Like mobile development 15, 20 years ago wasn't a thing. Nowadays it is very much. It's something it evolves, but I can come back to it as a baseline over and over again. And I think this is very beneficial for me as a software developer. Well, I mean, AI development is in everybody's mouth, right? We've had a talk here at the Qt World Summit as well. I'm curious where this goes. I admit I'm more in the skeptical camp in regards to that. But I do think it's, like one thing that was said was it's here to stay. I do think it's here to stay. I'm a bit skeptical about the limitations of language models. My partner actually, she worked in that area. She made her PhD in AI in language models actually, so I'm actually quite invested into it. But I still hope it gets better. Let me phrase it like this. However, I do think it's a big trend. I do think it's here to stay, and I do think we'll see industry-wide adoption when, I want to say, legal catches up. Because right now, legal is, for many corporations, the big point that is like, better be careful with it. Useful. And I think that's the biggest compliment I can get to like a technology thing I'm using every day.